Yeah, that's right.
I should be there. Right now we are at Beechworth. No, not yet.
In the previous video, we went to the waterfall and walked around Beechworth town. Today, let us take you to OBG, or Old Beechworth Gaol. We hope to find the parking inside. But luck was not on our side. The website said that we can buy the ticket at the cafe. There was no one.
Cole, you are about to be released from jail.
Or escape.
Cole was so sure that the ticket office was outside.
That's a solicitor. It's a legal service thing.
I'm sure that used to be the office.
No. Do you need a legal service? Legal advice?
Not yet.
So we decided to grab a coffee and found out that we can buy the ticket with the barista.
You got the tickets right.
No.
Yes, you have.
No.
I haven't got them.
Neither do I.
I gave them to you. Oh well.
I didn't get it from you.
Yes, you did. I handed it to you.
Don't be joking.
Actually, I have the tickets, ha ha ha.
Here we are at the Old Beechworth Gaol or jail, waiting for a guide tour. There are guide tour every day, operate from 10, 11, 12, I'm not sure, but definitely at 1:30 p.m. We will join the tour at 1:30 p.m. This is one of the places that you have to visit if you are in Beechworth.
And the asylum.
The asylum. We did the asylum in our recent visit. What is the asylum called? Is it a place that you can seek refuge?
No, it's a place where people with mental health problems were
I should go there.
Yeah, that's right.
I should be there.
We did a ghost tour there last time.
Oh shit.
The tour started at 1:30 p.m. sharp. The guide explained the structure and zoning of the jail. We got a chance to explore the cells. Ned Kelly and his men were imprisoned here This is the area where they hung the prisoners with death penalty. This is how Ned Kelly and the gang dressed: metal helmet and metal armor. Our next stop is the powder magazine.
This place is for keeping the powder magazine. It would be dangerous to keep it in the town in case that it explodes or something.
Lake Samble is the lake in Beechworth town.
We are at Lake Samble, and what are we going to do this morning, little Cole?
We're just going for about a 9-kilometre walk around the town.
Be a part of our journey by subscribing to our channel, Taste and Trek.